Welcome to Lesson 5 of Unit 2 in Solfa Sofa. Today we're going to do a little bit of an activity called music dictation. We've learned rhythms and solfa using many notes of the staff. We've learned do, re, mi, sol, la. And we're going to put some of that together with a fun activity where you need a piece of paper and a pencil. So go grab your paper and pencil, pause the video, and when you are ready, start the video back up and we will start a music dictation fun activity. All right, so I hope you're ready. Just like in lesson 2, I think I'm going to go ahead and use 2 different colors, and we're going to draw 4 beat bars. All right, I'm going to be reusing this slide in this space because I can easily clear it away, but go ahead and pick one area of your paper. We're going to be using this activity several times on our paper, so I don't want you to use up your whole paper on this first example. So draw 4 beat bars on your paper. Now, these beat bars are to help you keep track of where the rhythm is in my example. I'm going to clap a rhythm pattern, and after I'm done clapping, I want you to try to figure out, what did you hear? What pattern did you hear? Quarter notes, eighth notes, rests. Listen very carefully. Here's the first example. I want you to try to write out what you heard from those claps. If you wrote ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, you are correct. That was the pattern that I clapped with my hands, with the claps on the beats, 4 beats. All right, so we're going to try this again. Draw 4 beat bars on your paper, and I'm going to clap another pattern. Remember, eighth notes go a little bit faster. 1, 2, here I go. I'm going to clap it again so you can check. Sometimes it's good maybe to hold up, actually this way, yeah. Hold up fingers, 4 fingers, to help you keep track of the sounds that you heard. And I'm going to tap my fingers. Ready and listen now. I made a sound with my tongue just so that you could hear where those happen. If you could correctly hear that my rhythm was T, 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 ta, ta, you were correct. We're going to do one more easy pattern. 4 beat bars. 1, 2, here I go. Let me do that one more time for you. Ready, go. That pattern was ta, ti, ti, ta, rest. Very good. If you were able to follow along and write out the rhythms that you could hear from my claps, you're doing a great job. This is called dictation. It can be difficult when you aren't reading something, but you're using your ears to listen. Now, the next part of our dictation, I'm going to do, find a place on your paper where you can draw out 8 lines. And I'm going to do an 8-beat pattern. I'm going to use some half notes this time. So watch when you see my hands holding out for 2 beats. 1, 2, here I go. I'm going to stop right there. That was just the first line. If you could tell that you heard ta, ta, ta. Go ahead and write that out. Match your paper to look like my paper. And now the second line. Here I go. You heard ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. I want you to leave this rhythm up on your paper because the next part of music dictation is being able to tell what solfa notes are being sung. And I'm only going to use do, re, and mi. My notes might go from mi down to do, or they might go do up to mi. But to make this easy for music dictation for your first time, these patterns will only move by step. I won't do any do, mi. I'm not going to skip over re. I'm going to keep them in a stepwise motion so you can hear the patterns. But now, since I can't say do, re, or mi because that'll give it away, I'm going to hum the pattern. See if you could figure out what this is. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Could you tell my voice was going from low to high? So on the very first line, you can write the letters do, D for do, R for re, and M for me. Now, since this is a half note, we just hold it out when we sing it. Now, the next line, when we have eighth notes, they're going to be the same pitch. I'm not going to do fast mi, re, do, or anything like that. So here's the next one, the next line. Hold on, I need to think. Make sure I don't make it hard for you. Okay. I'm going to sing the first line just to get you started. That second line, let me sing it again. I'm going to hum it again, see if you can figure out which pitches did I use. If you could tell, re, re, do, re, re, do. You are correct. Re, re, do. Re, re, do. So this is a fun music dictation quiz that you might be able to do with your siblings or maybe your mom. And you can make some beat bars, some rhythms, and some solfa with what you've learned. Now on your worksheet that you can print off from the resources page on the blog, I have this. It says use after lesson 5. Write in do, re, or mi under each note. This is something where you can create your own melodic patterns using the rhythms we've learned in do, re, and mi. So I'll do the first example so you can see. You'll write the letters right underneath. Do. Maybe we'll do a re and then a mi. So number 1 would sound like this. Do, re, mi. But this activity is for you to do on your own, creating your own melodies. And I hope that you have a lot of fun composing. Composing is writing music, and that's what we're learning to do through these solfa sofa lessons. So thank you so much for a great lesson 5. I'll see you next time for lesson 6. Bye-bye.